Okay, so engineering data set. Now to create geometry, go to design modeler. Make sure that you have the right unit. So we're going to create that in meter. Now choose YZ plane. You can create that in any plane. I'm just choosing YZ. To see the normal view, click here. And I'm just going to change this scale because the cross section is fairly small. That will be 0.5 meter by 0.5 meter. So I'm going to just zoom the view to the again. It's 2 meter to the again. Yeah, now it's good. Go to sketching, select the rectangle, draw a rectangle here. Select dimensions. See the dimension for both edges. Now input the value here. That should be 0.5 meter, 0.5 meter. Now we're going to extrude that along x-axis. So go to extrude. You see the geometry here. So the sketch is already selected. Just to make sure, you just can select on the sketch 1 and apply. This add material, it should be add frozen. When you will try to assign multiple materials, like here we're going to assign cement, asbestos, and also brick. So to apply multiple materials, we need to select add frozen. Everything else is fine. This depth, that should be 0.01, sorry, 0.1 for the cement wall. Hit enter and now click generate. So you see the wall is generated here. So to see the isometric view, click here. Okay. Now just to make sure that you have the 3D model, just try to zoom there a little bit. So you can see, actually we have the 3D model here. So again, feed the view. Now we will extrude this face along x-axis for other two sections. So for the second wall, what we'll do at first, we're going to select the face here. We're going to select this face. Click on extrude. So the face is already selected. So click apply here for the geometry. You see, this face is selected for the geometry. In operation, go ahead and choose add frozen. The directional vector, actually, we need to select the way or the direction where we will extrude this plate. So that should be actually x-axis. We're going to extrude this face or plane along positive x-axis. So to select that, at first, click on XY plane. Then click here, click that x-axis, apply. Yeah, so the edge is selected. Now input the right value here. It should be 0.02. Hit enter. And now you see the outer edge of the wall that it's going to create it. If you don't see that in that along this way, then you just need to change the direction. Go here and like click reverse. If we click reverse here, you see it's going on the opposite side. There's along negative x-axis, but we want that along positive x-axis. So just keep the normal. Now hit generate. So you see the other wall that should be the asbestos wall is created. The similar way you can create the brick wall. Just select the face. The face is already selected. Click the face, extrude, apply, add frozen, and similarly the directional vector that should be x-axis. It seems correct, so you don't need to select the reverse. And now input the exact depth value that should be 0.012. Oops, it's not selected, so we should select that one and apply. Yeah, it's good. Go ahead and hit generate. So you can see the brick wall also generated.